Tails is the call and heads it is. Losing the toss could prove costly. This could make for a really interesting match. Here come the openers, greeted with a loud cheer from the... The bowler is bowling from his favorite end. Bang! Into the gap for four. That is an aggressive field in place. I like how they're going for wickets at this stage. It will be interesting to see where the bowler will test the batsman with the short one. That's hit straight to the fielder. The captain has been good with his field placements. Batsman can't find the gap. It's straight to the fielder. Oh, lovely shot. That is a beauty. That will be four. He seems to have carried his form from the last match. The bowler is bowling from his favorite end. He is unlucky there and once again hits straight to the fielder. The captain has been good with his field placements. Trying to up the run rate there, a very loose shot in the end. The field has been opened and the batsman should be looking to get those easy singles. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up. All the way. Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next? White ball signaled by the umpire. The bowler missing his line here, and that's a wide. Last ball of the innings coming up. And he helps himself to a six. is bowling from his favorite end. That's gone high in the air, and that's gonna clear the boundary for 6. It's nicely timed. We'll only get 1 though. He's calling for 2. That is excellent running between the wickets. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. Direct hit, and that's out. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. Hit on the body. It's a nasty delivery. No ball called. That's hit straight to the fielder. The captain has been good with his field placements. He has hammered that, and that sails into the crowd for a 6. They have been managing the required run rate quite beautifully. They have been managing the required run rate quite beautifully. They have been managing the required run rate quite beautifully. They have been managing the required run rate quite beautifully. That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Oh, that must have really hurt. That has made some serious damage. Oh, that's huge. It's disappeared way into the stands. That's into the gap. Should look for 2. The winning runs are scored, and the batsmen congratulate each other after having won the game for their side.